Spa 1, roger. Understand you are probably going for a swim. I'll alert the Coast Guard and the owner of the company. Good luck.
Unidentified aircraft on guard. You're approaching a United States naval vessel. Divert immediately. I say again, divert immediately. On guard. Divert from your present course. If you have an emergency, do not, repeat, do not attempt to land on the carrier deck. If you are forced to ditch, we will launch a rescue team to assist.